The GoPro Hero 14 Black has finally landed, and wow, the excitement around it is massive. GoPro calls it their most powerful action camera ever, but does it truly live up to the hype? Or is it just another small step from last year's Hero 13? In this video, we're diving deep to find out. Welcome back to GadgetVerse, where we explore the coolest tech and gear that push creativity to the next level. Today, we're putting the GoPro Hero 14 Black through a full test, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Hero 14 looks familiar, but GoPro has refined everything that matters. The new front display is brighter, sharper, and perfect for vloggers who want to frame their shots flawlessly. The rear touchscreen feels ultra smooth, with faster swipes, taps, and overall responsiveness. It's clear GoPro has fine-tuned the user experience. No more fighting with menus when all you want to do is shoot. Now here's where things get wild: video performance. The Hero 14 delivers a jaw-dropping 8K resolution at 30 FPS, giving you unmatched clarity and detail. If you're into slow motion, 4K at 240 FPS is here, producing footage that looks straight out of a Hollywood production. And let's talk about stabilization. The new HyperSmooth upgrade makes your footage steady even during the most chaotic action. Whether you're skydiving, biking, or surfing, it feels like having a gimbal built right into the camera. Creativity gets another boost with features like time warp, horizon lock, and cinematic color profiles. Plus, higher bitrate recording gives editors and professionals more detail and dynamic range to play with. On the connectivity front, everything's faster and smarter. Wi-Fi transfers are lightning quick, Bluetooth pairing is seamless, and the GoPro app has gotten a complete polish. You even get AI-powered editing suggestions. Just capture, sync, and the app helps you create cinematic clips in minutes. Cloud uploads are snappier, and live streaming now supports higher resolutions for creators who love sharing their adventures in real time. The upgraded image sensor is another major win. Expect richer colors, sharper detail, and seriously improved low-light performance. Night shots look cleaner, with less noise and more natural tones. HDR support also brings out perfect highlights and shadows, while still photos now pack even more megapixels for stunning results. Customization remains a GoPro trademark. The Hero 14 is compatible with your old mounts but introduces awesome new modular add-ons, like upgraded microphones, extended batteries, and lens attachments. Whether you're hiking, diving, or filming cinematic landscapes, this camera adapts effortlessly. Durability, rock solid. The Hero 14 sticks to GoPro's rugged DNA, but it's more compact and tougher than ever. Improved waterproofing and materials give it a premium feel with better grip. And thanks to the redesigned battery management system, you get longer shooting time and faster charging, keeping you ready for the next adventure. In short, the GoPro Hero 14 Black isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. With 8K brilliance, AI-powered intelligence, pro-level stabilization, and a refined design, it's setting a new standard for action cameras. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate action camera or just another solid step from GoPro? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to GadgetVerse, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews and gear breakdowns. Until next time, stay creative, stay adventurous, and keep exploring with GadgetVerse.